Hello everybody and welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to do something that I think is really cool. We're going to scrape the web, okay? And more specifically, we're going to scrape Instagram so we can get the number of followers, the number of how many people you follow and stuff like that. Okay, we are going to do this in Python. Alright, so let's begin. Here we are going to make a directory. I don't know if this is right. Okay, and I'm going to make a file, .py. Let's open this. I'm using VS Code. Let's make this bigger. Okay, and we're going to be using, let's close all this. We're going to be using requests, JSON, report requests, and to scrape everything we're going to use BeautifulSoup. So from PS4 port BeautifulSoup. I already have it installed here, but if you don't, just pip install BeautifulSoup. Okay, first we're going to make this a little bit bigger, hide this. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so now we're going to need a URL. So this is my Instagram. We're going to need a URL, and Instagram URL is going to be this, and profile URL is going to be this. Great stuff. So response, let's get use a nav string here. Instagram URL, profile URL. Cool. Let's print the response text. Great. Let's see what happens. Let's look at the status code. If something goes wrong, and if response is okay, we're going to print the response text. All right. Let me activate my environment that I use for everything. Come on, let's clear this up. Python main.py. Great, so we got something. Oh my god, a lot of stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. So we have metas, we have link, this is the header. Let's see what we want. We want this thing here. Okay. Hopefully this will be server rendered. I'm not sure if this is server rendered, so let me just say copy selector, and let's go back to our code and let's see if we can do followers a equals to response. Oh, first of all, all right, let me do something here. Text. Let's get our text, and let's say that this is our BS HTML. Let's pass it into our BeautifulSoup, and let's select this thing here. Okay, let's make this a little bit smaller so we can all see stuff. So this is the React root. Oh god, I don't think this is server rendered. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work, but let's try anyway. So let's print our followers. Okay, I almost can't type. And let's comment this. Let's see if I don't have any errors, hopefully. No password specified, blah blah. Okay, empty array. So this means that this is not server rendered and I won't have this element. Okay, what do I have? Alright, yes, HTML. Okay, let's print this, see what we get. Alright, we have a lot of scripts here. We have what looks like it is a big JSON. Yeah, this is a big JSON file, a really big one. And this is inside span path script. Okay, we have a script tag. This and the JSON file starts after this thing. Okay, and we have a, oh, look at that, we have a meta, and our follower is oh, okay, so we have a meta content here with our followers. But I like JSON better, so let's try to, oh, there's another JSON here. Okay, let's get our script tags. Okay, so scripts, and let's select all of our scripts. Okay, script, yeah, script. Okay, it's like select, oh my god. Let me try something else first. I did everything wrong here. I typed that wrong. Okay, empty array, yeah. It's server rendered. Let's select our scripts and see what we get back. Great, we have, so how many scripts? So let's see how many scripts we have, and we have 14 scripts. Okay, let's go up. All right, so here we have our first script. We don't want that. We have our second script, right? Second script. And we don't want that either, so let's just remove those. Now we have another script that we don't want. This one, I don't want this one. See, okay, I want this one. Type. Alright, I'm selecting only this one. So type equals to this thing. Okay. Let's try again, and we got only that one. Great. So if we say that we want to print only the, is it text? Nope, it isn't. What is it? Content? No. Oh my god, I don't remember. Oh, I have an array here. Okay, say we want only the 0 index and the content. Oh, it's the text. Great, so now we have our text. Let's strip it. Great stuff. Okay, now we need to import our JSON. And we have scripts, content, and JSON loads. Scripts, the first one, text strip, and now we're going to print our JSON dumps scripts content, and that's indent 4, right? And sort keys true. All right, let's print this. Beautiful. Look at that. And user interaction count. This is how many people is following me. That's awesome. So I need main entity of page. All right, main entity of page. So now I get main entity of page equals scripts content main entity of page, and then interaction statistic main entity of page, and user interaction count, followers count, interaction statistic, user interaction count. Great. And now we have our followers count. So do that. Great. Ha. Beautiful. Now we want this to be really fast, and we want to get as many profiles as we want. Great. Now let's make this into a function. Def get followers count, and profile URL is a string, and let's do this. Okay. Instagram URL and profile URL. Let's do this, and here I'm just going to say get followers count. Put it down, and here I'm going just to return followers count. Yeah, I'm printing. Now let's do this. Yeah, this still works. What if I have multiple profiles? Let's come to Instagram here, and let's go to followers. Oh my god, following. Oh god. Okay. All right, my wife. Okay. Let's get profiles. Real free dev. Let's see, for profile and profiles, I want to get profile. Great stuff. So here, just going to say print profile count followers. Print this, and let me remove this. Let me remove this. This. It's cleaner. Let's now see what happens. Nice, but it's quite slow. It's very slow. Okay, what we can do to make this better? We could use threads. Let's use threads, okay? So from concurrent futures import thread pull executor, and let's do let's import async IO as well, async IO, and now we're going to make, so since I'm going to make multiple requests, I'm not going to use requests. I'm actually going to open a session and do the multiple requests in one single session. So it will be faster, I think. So let's say session here, and instead of requests, we're going to pass session. And here I'm going to have an async def get followers async, and here I'll have profiles, which is a an array of strings. So I don't know if this is the right way to do this. Alright. Okay, anyway, let's not annotate this for now. So let's put this here. Let's put this down here actually. And let's create a executor session. So with threading, thread pull executor, max workers, let's say 10, and as executor. And let's create a section with request.session as session. And let's say that for each section I will have some tasks, and those tasks will execute on an executor, and those tasks will come from the event loop on async IO. So let's get our loop, and let's say that async IO get event loop, and let's say that tasks, so it's an array of tasks, and each task will be a call to get followers count. Okay, so loop.run in executor, and we pass our executor, and we pass our function get followers count, and now we pass our arguments, and we're going to say profile and session for profile. Make this a little bit smaller for profile and profiles. Okay, and profiles is what I'm receiving here. So for profile and profiles, add a loop in add a call to followers count inside this executor. Okay, so now we do for response, and I wait async IO gather tasks. So now we do, let's create a list of responses, and for each response we do append response. Okay, and at the end we just return the list of responses. Okay, and of course if I want to, I just remembered, if I want to annotate this, I just say list, and I say that this returns on the list. Okay, this is a list of strings, and this is a list of float, because I'm going to float this. All right, great stuff. Now we have our asynchronous calls using multiple threads, and this should be really fast. Now what we're going to do is, first we're going to time, let's time stuff so we know what we're dealing with. So import time, And profile, type profiles, type of profiles, it's down here. Okay, so profile in profiles, can get profile. Let's compare. So start equals time, and time elapsed, and minus the start. Everything took elapsed seconds, and this is an F string. Okay, all right, what's wrong here? This is a list. Oh god, I don't need this, I just need this, and I don't need this either. Yeah, it's just a list. Don't need to overcomplicate stuff. So what is this? String, 2 arguments. I need the session. Let's pass requests here, okay? And now let's compare. Let's run this. I'm not using this yet, so let's run this. And it took 1.15 seconds. Okay, let's put this here. And now let's execute the multiple threads one. All right, so loop equals async.io dot get even loop. Let's get another even loop. Let's ensure future. So async.io ensure future get followers async. All right, profiles. Let's pass our profiles array, and let's get our response back from loop.run until complete future. Let's print our results, and let's also time this start and okay. Async multi-threading took synchronously took this. All right. Let's divide this, and now everything should work fine, hopefully no errors. And let's do this. 1 second, half second. That's great. That's very, very good. It's a very big gain in performance. Let's comment this out, and yeah, it's quite fast. It's happening at the same time, so it's quite fast. 0.53 seconds. Both Instagrams. Let's get more Instagrams. I don't have many followers, so let's get this lady, and let's put it here. Let's get this person, let's put it here. Let's get this person, and let's put it here. All right, we have a lot of Instagrams here, and let's get everybody followers count. Let's see. Oh, that's so fast. That's why I love Python, guys. 200. We have those followers count for everybody, and it just took 63 0.63 seconds. This is beautiful, isn't it? Great. Alright guys, that was it for now. And yeah, we have a request. Yeah, we have a synchronous request to multiple times to multiple profiles, web scraping, Instagram to get followers count. And yeah, bye bye.